Today we'll walk through the process of burning a screen. The goal is to produce a clean and accurately exposed screen that's ready for production. Start by opening the Power Scheduler in Printavo, located under General on the left side of the menu. Once inside, you'll search for projects that require screens. Under the section Unassigned, we've identified a project that needs screens. In this example, we use invoice number 67506-3. By clicking on the invoice number, we open up a new panel with a few key details and a hyperlink that will take us to the invoice page where we can review the mockups and identify the invoice number and imprint location. Scroll to the production notes section and locate the matching separation file. Download the file and save it to the computer. Open your downloads folder and drag the file into the 55 LPI 1270 DPI folder. It will automatically populate into the 55 LPI folder below. This is where we'll pull our files from in the next step. Open the CTS Controller application. Select Add Plus, highlight the file or files, and click Open. If you're burning one screen, choose Single Frame. If you're burning multiple screens, choose Multi-Frame. In this case, we'll use Multi-Frame. Drag the artwork from the right side of the screen onto the red screen outline on the left. Once everything is positioned correctly, click Pre-Process. Open the machine, then gather the coded screens needed for the job. We'll be burning a 156 and a 230. Load each screen with the ink side facing out. Hook the top of the frame into the two upper contact points first. Then lock the bottom of the frame into the third contact point. Before engaging the foot pedal, make sure your hands are clear of the locking mechanism as to avoid any injury it may cause. Engage the locking system and close the machine door. Next, select Output and choose the correct exposure template based on the mesh count of the screen you've loaded. We only select from those labeled Hydro Yellow. In this case, we're selecting the template for our 230 screen we grabbed earlier. Click Confirm and allow the machine to complete the exposure cycle. Once exposure is complete, remove the screen and bring it to the washout booth. Using the garden hose, thoroughly wet both sides of the screen. On the shirt side, lightly use your fingertips to help soften the exposed emulsion. Continue rinsing both sides of the screen. Once done, with the shirt side facing you, use the pressure washer to reveal the image area, registration marks, Pantone information, work order number, and any additional markings. Next, take your newly burnt screen over to the air compressor and blow off both sides of the screen, paying close attention to the image area, borders, and frame edges. Lastly, place the screen in the drying cabinet with the shirt side facing up. If other screens are drying, move them to the top to prevent water from dripping onto them. Once dry, we're ready to move on to the next phase of production.